Tom from Tom's Tunes. And I'm just here to remind you that if you've got a boat that's 8 foot wide, the deck and vinyl kits from PontoonStuff.com will work great for those. 8.5 foot wide, they'll work for those too. But keep in mind too, that a boat like this is a Gill Getter pontoon. It's a 14 foot long deck. It's 7 feet wide, 84 inches. This kit came from PontoonStuff.com. It's the 8 foot wide kit. I'm gonna have some excess vinyl to trim off, and I did have to cut my boards down a little bit, but this kit installs just as easy and looks just as good as those traditional sized pontoon boats. So don't think just because you have a Gill Getter pontoon or another brand that's a little bit narrower, maybe not quite as big of a boat, these kits will still work great on your boat and they'll look good too.